Think you know Hyundai? Think again. From secret collaborations to design flops and futuristic pivots, here are 13 facts about Hyundai that'll surprise even the biggest car buffs. Number 1. Hyundai's very first car wasn't entirely their own creation. Back in 1968, the Hyundai Cortina was produced through a partnership with Ford. Instead of designing the vehicle from scratch, Hyundai assembled it locally using Ford's engineering, marking their first step into the automotive world. Number 2. The Hyundai Pony holds a huge place in history as South Korea's first domestically produced car. Released in 1975, it was styled by legendary designer Giorgetto Giugiaro, the same mind behind the DeLorean, giving Hyundai an unexpectedly stylish debut on the global stage. Number 3. In the early 1990s, Hyundai introduced the Scoupe, aiming to compete with sporty coupes like the Toyota Celica and Honda Prelude. It didn't quite succeed in the market, but it was still significant as Hyundai's first car powered by an engine they developed in-house.
Hey, thanks for hanging out with us. If you're having fun, learning something new, or just love quirky deep dives into cars, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm, hey, this was awesome. Tap subscribe to join our growing crew of curious minds. And don't forget the bell. It's your backstage pass to every new episode. Seriously, these clicks help way more than you'd think. So thank you for watching, for supporting, and for being part of the adventure.
Number 4. Genesis didn't start out as its own brand. When it first appeared in 2008, it was simply a luxury sedan under the Hyundai name. It wasn't until 2015 that Genesis became a standalone luxury division, going head-to-head with established brands like Lexus and BMW. Number 5. The name Hyundai actually carries a deeper meaning. In Korean, Hyun translates to present, and Dae means era, so together it represents modern times. A fitting name for a company that has constantly evolved and adapted to changing trends. Number 6. The Hyundai Excel made headlines in 1986 for being one of the cheapest cars available in the United States, with a starting price of just $4,995. It quickly became popular, but early reliability problems eventually hurt Hyundai's reputation for years. Number 7. Hyundai isn't just about cars, it's part of a much larger industrial empire. Hyundai Heavy Industries is one of the biggest shipbuilders in the world, and the company is also involved in trains, construction, and heavy machinery, showing just how massive its global reach really is. Number 8. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 looks futuristic, but its design is actually inspired by the original Pony from the 1970s. It blends retro styling cues with modern electric vehicle technology, creating a look that connects Hyundai's past with its vision for the future. Number 9. Hyundai has even experimented with dramatic concept designs like Gullwing doors. The N Vision 74 concept, revealed in 2022, features hydrogen power and those iconic doors, serving as a modern tribute to the original Pony coupe concept from decades earlier. Number 10. Hyundai's reputation wasn't always what it is today. In the 1990s, the brand was often associated with cheap and unreliable cars, but by the 2010s, Hyundai had dramatically improved quality and reliability, earning recognition as one of the most dependable automakers. Number 11. Hyundai also has a dedicated performance division known simply as N, similar to BMW's M division. This team creates high-performance versions of cars like the Elantra and Veloster, with models like the Veloster N earning serious praise from automotive critics. Number 12. Not every Hyundai project has been a success. The Veracruz, a luxury SUV introduced in the late 2000s, aimed to compete with vehicles like the Lexus RX. However, it lacked a strong identity and quietly disappeared from the market by 2012. And number 13. Hyundai played a crucial role in saving another major automaker. During the Asian financial crisis in 1998, Hyundai acquired a controlling stake in Kia, preventing its collapse. Today, the two brands share technology and platforms while still competing in the marketplace. Hyundai's journey is full of surprises, from budget blunders to luxury leaps. If you learned something new, hit that like button, drop a comment, share this with a fellow car nerd, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to ring the bell, so you never miss a list.
Huge thanks for watching all the way to the end and making it here. Now that you're in the comments, here's the mission. Drop your best idea for our next video below. If we pick your suggestion, we'll give you a shout out when it goes live. If you loved this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the automotive world, and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. But most importantly,
be kind to each other.
See you in the next video.